For you niggas that don't know the birds where I come from, nigga, that's my grind and my hustle, nigga. I'm up early in the morning, grinding while you sleeping, homes. Real nigga getting money, that's why they hating on me. Cuz got me paranoid, ride with the eagle on me. Early bird get the word, no time for sleeping, homie. I'm off in them breezeways, ducking like LeBron James. No time for street cred, 10 years I made a name. I'm about the moolah, chase the mighty dollar. You scared, go to church, I roll with wolves and rock wallers. To these rappers I'm a problem, cause I'm true, no doubt about it. And I rap it like I live it, and I live it like I spit it. God damn it, I'm the realest. Point blank, period, I be out-trapping these rap niggas, out-rapping these trap niggas. True story, no fiction, my young niggas fuck big guns. Like worried about my bankroll. If you grind hard, you can have one. What you know about them long nights? Bolted down like a street light. Real nigga, I earn stripes. Real nigga, every day and night. I'm out the door when I shoot dice. And I see the bread, I get ludicrous. I'm a lunatic, that'll fuck you bitch. Street certified, homie, I'm legit. I'm out the door when I shoot dice. When I see the bread, I get ludicrous. I'm a lunatic, that'll fuck you bitch. Street certified, homie, I'm legit.
Yeah, like I said, we early birds where I come from. You know, the early bird get the motherfucking worm, nigga. It's fast money, you know what I mean? You know, I done brought one of the youngest on last old. We gon' step up and bless the mic one time. Let you know how we get it on that backside walk. You know what I mean?
Niggas yelling what they don't like, dig eating what I don't like. Unless we beefing, then it's your wife got long pipe, cause that's what she like. And I hit a friend like what you missing. Watch him out cause I might be pissing. Couldn't get a hoe cause that hoe be bitching. Got a condom out cause I ain't with that trickin'. All the broke niggas be with that dissing. Still for me and you'll come a missing. Went to trial and he came out snitching. That's that fuck shit that I forget to mention. 30-20 bitches I forgot to mention. Hardest car without a deal. The biggest nigga without a meal. Gotta check my watch and it's time to kill. When I grab the heater, it's time to chill. Fuck Molly, I don't pop pills, but I fuck with Molly when she pop pills. Lazo, I'm that trill. Fake drink, is that real? Spit sick shit, I'm that ill. Texas, toe big steel. Texas, rock big wheels. I'm an early boy and I won't change. You need 100, I don't got change. I'm the shit and I won't change. You don't like smelling that loud pack? Life's a movie, you niggas acting. Everything I say is coming fake. But you got the front stash in the back. I stay right here cause I don't trust that. Shoot first, never bust back. I miss a bitch, I can't fuck with that. I'm a long view, nigga Southside. I'm a real nigga, I don't take sides. I'm a Leo and I'm full of pride. Disrespect and I take it live. Blah blah, don't apologize. Only on Twitter will I follow lies. Feel good, next game. Peeling off in these bitch niggas. I don't fuck with you cause you a bitch nigga. Yo click killers out bitch niggas. I'm Pyro, you die move. Spray the block, then vibe moves. Bad attitude like a mongoose. He owe me money if he front you. We all shots, what you want to do? Yeah, we all shots, what you want to do? What you want to do? What you want to do? Hey, yeah, money, you know it, you know it, you know it, early.
What's good, man? This Click Clack a Hustle Like, man. Grade A Media Productions. We come together and now we come with the Houston Street Kings. Do you think you're a Houston Street King? Do you think you got what it takes to run the streets? Are you really putting in work? Because that's all we dealing with. If you ain't putting in work, then we ain't messing with you. But if you putting in work, we'll give you a chance, man. Because we out here grinding hard, we ain't got time for that BS, you feel me? So you want to get down with the movement, hit us up on Facebook, in the streets, wherever, man. We in the streets and we on the internet, man. And we doing TV shows. You feel me? Grade A, hustle like, Click Clack.